Hello everyone, my name is Nicola, and in this short video we're going to talk about the concept of dimensional analysis. And in order to talk about that, we need to introduce the base dimensions, those being mass, length, time, temperature, electrical current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. And those together form the 7 base dimensions, and all units can be expressed as a combination of these dimensions. So as an example, what would be the dimensions on density? Well, density we know is mass over volume, and mass is already a base dimension, so we have that one. But what about volume? Well, volume is base times width times height, or length times length times length. If you simplify that, you can say that volume is length cubed. And by putting that all together, now we know that density is mass over length cubed. Units are magnitudes of physical quantities that are standardized, consistent, and dimensioned. For example, meters, degrees F, ohms or hertz, etc. Now on the other hand, quantities have a numeric value that is scaled by a unit. For example, 25 degrees C, 24 hours, etc. So there are some rules that go along with quantities. They can be converted to other units of the same dimension. For example, meters to feet, they're both lengths. They can be added or subtracted to other units of the same dimension, for example, pounds plus ounces. They can be multiplied or divided by any unit of any dimension. For example, miles divided by hours is a length divided by a time, which gives you a velocity. And lastly, its magnitude can be scaled by a unit prefix. For example, 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer or kilometer. So I hope this video was a good introduction into dimensional analysis, and I'll see you into the next one.